Good morning, dear students. Now we are still in the fourth chapter, that is International System of Writing Numbers. So in our previous class, we studied about how to write the number name of the number. So in today's class, we will know about how to write the numerals for the number name. So let's see the question. So students, here the question is, write the numerals for following number name. So students, here the number name has been already given in the question. Now we are asked to write the numerals for this. It means हामीलाई यहाँ क्वेसनले नम्बर नेम दिएको छ स्टुडेन्ट्स, सेन्टेन्समा हामीले यो नम्बर नेमको चाहिँ न्युमरल्स नम्बर लेख्नु पर्नेछ. So students, let's read the question. So here question is 835,260. Now students, in international system, while writing the numerals, we always consider period. So students, in international system, the period starts from ones. After ones, thousand. After thousand, the period of million occurs. After million, billion occurs. So students, we should always consider ones, thousand, million, billion. These are the period. First we should consider them. So students, so let's consider first. So here 835,000. So students, this is thousand, period thousand. This is the period thousand, and after thousand, whatever is there, that is the period of ones. So students, these are 260. They are the period of ones, and this is the period of thousand. Now students, while writing the number, so let's see what is there in the period of thousand. So to know what is there in the period of thousand, we just observe the sentence before thousand. Thousand भन्दा अगाडि के छ त हामीले त्यही हेर्छौँ. So there is 835. So students, thousand भन्दा हामीले अगाडि हेर्यौं भने त्यहाँ 835 रहेको छ. 835 अर्थात A35, 835. So students, here we have accomplished the period of thousand. Now let's come towards the period of ones. In the period of ones, there is 260. So students, 260 means 260. 260. So students, in this way we have written the numerals for the number name 835,260. So students, let's take one more question. So students, here in B number, 20,045,000 is there. So as I have already told you, first of all we should consider period. So here it is the period of thousand, and similarly here it is the period of million. We should always consider the period such as ones, thousand and million. So students, here I have underlined the period thousand and the million. It will be easy for us to write. So now students, we should see. So before million there is students 20. Million को अगाडि 20 रहेको छ. So 20 means 20. Now students, as we all know, million consists of 3 places. The period of million consists of 3 places: million, 10 million and 100 million. So students, this is the place of million. This is 10 million. Now there is no 100 million. It means we can just replace 0 also, but it is not compulsory. To make 3 places, here I have kept 0. This is the place of million. This is 10 million and this one is 100 million. So students, to make 3 places I have replaced 0. Now students, let's come towards the period of 1000. So before 1000 what is there? Before 1000 there is 45. So students, 45 means 4 5. Now students, here I have maintained gap. Why? As because 1000 also consists of 3 places, that is 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. Here 5 is in the place of 1000, 4 is in the place of 10,000. Now there is no nothing in the place of 100,000. So therefore I have to replace 10 in the place of 100,000. 100,000 मा केही पनि नभएको हुनाले 100,000 मा हामीले 0 राख्नु पर्ने हुन्छ फ्रेन्ड्स. एज we should make 3 places anyhow. हामीले जहिले पनि न्युमरल लेख्ने बेलामा 3 वटा प्लेस बनाउनै पर्छ स्टुडेन्ट्स, किनभने इन्टरनल सिस्टममा प्रत्येक पिरियडको 3 वटा प्लेसेसहरु हुन्छ. त्यसैले 1000 मा पनि 1000, 10,000 र 100,000 हुन्छ. त्यसैले 100,000 मा मैले 0 राखे स्टुडेन्ट्स. Now students, we have to observe the period of ones. Now here we cannot see any terms, any sentence after 1000. 1000 भन्दा पछाडी हामीले हेर्यौ भने कुनै पनि सेन्टेन्स लेखेको छैन. यसको मतलब ones को प्लेस नै छैन स्टुडेन्ट्स. ones को प्लेस छैन भने अब हामीले यतिकै छोड्न मिल्दैन. As I have already told you, we should anyhow we should make 3 places. So students, in the period of ones there it consists of 3 places, that is ones, tens and 100. So in the places of ones, tens and 100 we will keep zeros. This is for ones, this is for tens, this is for 100. Ones, tens, 100. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. So students, this is 20 million, 45,000. So students, hope you have understood. Let's take one more question to be clear. So students, here in C number 176,465,010 is there. Now students, let's first underline the period. So here it is the period of million. Similarly here it is the period of 1000. And students, after 1000 whatever is there, that is the period of ones. So it means after 1000 there is and 10. So this 10 is the 10 comes under the period of ones. So students, now let's write. Now to write the places of million, we should observe just before the word million there is 176. So 176 means 176. Now similarly in the period of 1000 there is 465. So which means 465. Now in the period of million there are 3 places already. Similarly in the period of 1000, 465, there are 3 places. Now students, let's come towards ones. Now students, in ones place there is 10. 10 means 10, but we can observe 10, 10. 10, there is only 2 digit, there is only 2 places. As I have already told you, there must be 3 places. So we have to keep 0 in front of 1. 1 को अगाडि 0 थप्ने स्टुडेन्ट्स, किनभने यहाँ 100 को प्लेस थिएन हैन. ones, tens, 100, it wasn't mentioned for 100, so therefore I have kept 0. So विद्यार्थीहरु 3 वटा प्लेसेस बनाउनको लागि मैले अगाडि 0 थप्नु पर्यो. So students, in this way 176,465,010 465,010. Period of ones, period of thousand, period of million. Ones, thousand, million. Each period has got 3 places. So students, this much for today. Hope you have understood. Now here I would like to give some questions as your homework. So students, here I have provided 3 questions for you. Hope you will complete it. So in the next class we will be doing next questions related to this chapter. So till then, stay safe, stay happy. Thank you so much.